Hey guys, it's Angelo here. So I am gonna talk about my own subscribers today because I saw my own account that it actually says 100 subscribers. So thank you, and also make sure look at my post today that I actually posted today. So it actually says thank you for 100 subscribers, and then it has another two photos. Uh, Between them. So it has a first of all, it has a picture of me at the school that I'm doing a thumbs up, and then second of all, I'm showing my own profile picture on Facebook. So yeah, that's all. That's all. That's the two photos that I actually come up with. Just the thing that I have to celebrate my 100 subscribers. So yeah, so stay tuned for another video that if I could post a new one. So stay tuned, of course, and always be updated my new videos that I actually came up with. So yeah, I will actually see you soon. Bye guys. Peace. Angelo's out.